Welcome to today's mathematics class. Today's class, we will be solving some questions on logarithm. So for those of us in grade 10, sorry, I haven't done introduction to logarithm. So I'm actually doing this one for those of us that have already get introduced to this log. So in my next video, I'm going to do introduction, proper introduction to logarithm, what logarithms and the laws are all about. But now for those that are already in grade 11, let us look at this one. This one is called substitution in logarithm. We say that if log b to base a is equal to 2 and log c to base b equal to 3, express log c to base a in terms of numbers only, just number. We don't want to see either b, we don't want to see a, we don't want to see any other alphabets. Now let me show you, very easy. So we are giving that word log b to a equal to 2. So from the definition of logarithm, so this a will be raised to this to give us b. So which means b will be equal to what? A squared. Now let us go to this other side. We have log c to base b equal to 3. According to that same law of logarithm, or the definition of logarithm, so c now will give us equal to b raised to power 3. Now the question we are asked now, log c to base a. Now, if we decide to say c, we have c here. C here can be substituted into this log. We have log c now to base a. So the value of c here is what? B raised to power what? 3. But there is no relationship between c and a. So the only way for us to do that now is to come here, which is this one. This one is the equation 1, and here is equation 2. So let us come and substitute for b in this equation 2, so that we can replace this b here by what? A raised to power 2. So in this case, we have c equal to b there is raised to 3 here, and we want to replace this b by a raised to power 2. We have a raised to power 2, then cube, because of this cube that is here. So according to the law of indices, so this 3 will multiply this. That is what? Multiplication of powers. So become a raised to power 6. Good. So your c now is equal to what? A raised to power 6. Now let us go and put this into this expression so that we can simplify. So what we do now, it becomes log a raised to power 6 to base a. And remember the law of logarithm, where we have, if I say log, I say x raised to power n to base a. So this exponent will multiply here, become n log x to base a. So this 6 now will come down, multiply, become 6 log a to base a. And recall, if I have the log of a number to that same number as base, it will give us 1. So automatically this becomes 6 times 1. So final answer, our answer is 6. So expressing it in terms of number, so log c to base a is equal to 6. That is the answer. Very easy as that. If you find the class interesting, help us to share the post and don't forget to like and comment. Bye.